Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by charging the Arctis Nova 7 and powering it on. Plug the USB-C cable for 30 to 60 minutes so the battery reads stable. The LED indicates charge. Next, remove the wireless dongle from the box and identify the 4 GHz or Bluetooth selector. Hold the headset power button 3 seconds until you hear the power tone. This wakes the radio and readies pairing. Once done, make sure the dongle and headset are close together to minimize interference when you pair. You now connect to your device. Plug the USB dongle into a direct USB port. Avoid passive hubs because they can drop power and cause audio issues. Then, set the headset to the same radio as the dongle. Flip to 4 GHz for lowest latency or Bluetooth for dual device use. Install SteelSeries GG on PC or the SteelSeries mobile app for presets and firmware updates. This ensures optimal mic tuning and spatial audio. Make sure firmware finishes before heavy use to prevent unexpected finish by calibrating audio and mic. Position the boom mic 2 fingers from your mouth and run a quick recording or join a voice chat to confirm clarity. Adjust side tone so you hear yourself naturally. Open SteelSeries GG to tweak EQ, surround sound, and chat versus gain balance for the experience you want. If something goes wrong, reseat the dongle, confirm the headset is in correct mode, update firmware, and reboot your host device. These steps resolve most connectivity and audio faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.